sister. I love my country. And I am proud of history. Very well. I shall always try to be virtue of peace. I respect my parents, teachers, and leaders. I study and one with courtesy to my country and my people and pay my devotion. Indian man me and prosperity and my happiness.